this young girl chooses exclusively the most delicate feathers, ethereal like the flight of the vulture. A paste is made with resin, which they call huhut, which permits the perfect positioning of each feather. Little by little, she places the ireja, a hairband that distinguishes them from the men, and which all girls wear, especially after their first menstruation. It's a feathery ornament that stands out against the jet black hair which the Zo'e women are so proud of, and which they continuously comb with the hunyua, a comb made of reeds.